Hi, welcome to my Python tutorial. This video I'll show you how to create your GUI application by creating the first window. So which will definitely help you to understand how a GUI program works and how to start with the GUI programming. So first of all, we need to verify that whether the required packages are available in your environment, either your laptop or your desktop. So to do that, you just need to run the command python -m tkinter. Tkinter is the package which helps us to create GUI programming or GUI programming. So as soon as you run the command, a small window pops up, and with a couple of buttons, you can maximize it, minimize it, click the buttons, and finally close it. Okay, this is a way you can verify that. Suppose if it is not available, you can install it by googling. I will also provide the proper links on the comment section of this video, so that you can go to that link and install in your environments before start GUI programming. So the first one is to import the required packages. So the required package here is tkinter. So I use tkinter. From tkinter import star. So star means everything, whatever available inside this package. I'm just loading all the classes and interfaces, functions, and everything. So okay, next one is I need to create a window object and instantiate the tk class. So what is tk? Tk is the class which get instantiated without any parameters, and this is the main widget, or otherwise we would say that it will create a main window. With the help of this, we can create a lot of other widgets and placed on this window. So it basically acts as a base. Fine. Now, so I can need to populate it, or just need to show this window. So for that, there is a function called main loop. This continuously runs. So what this main loop is, it's an infinite loop to run the application. So as soon as your window is ready and running, it's wait for an event to occur and process that particular event as long as the window is available. So let's see, I just save my code and run, and so a window pops up, and so properly you have a minimize, close, all those buttons. Now this is called event. These are different events. I am just maximizing it. This is an event. The window is waiting for an event. As soon as I click on the button, it started working. Finally, I just press the close button. Yes, it's got closed. Okay, this is just a beginning, and how we can instantiate the tk class to have a main widget or the main window, and how to start running it. Start running is with the help of this main loop. Fine. I just want to have a title for my window, like how my IDE have, like Spider Python 3.7. If you look at the top of this title bar, it shows the application name. The same way, I can have my title as well. So I can say that title, within quotes, you can give, I would say that my first window. Fine. Next, I can fix the size of my window as well. So for that, we have a function called geometry. Geometry takes the height and width of the window. You just need to give height and width. So 300 cross 300. It can be 300 cross 400. Depends, purely depends on the requirement. Okay, I just run it. Now the size of my window got increased, and the title bar is it's my own title bar, whatever I provide. So that is the one which I am passing here. That is my first window that is appearing on the title bar, and also it has basic controls like minimize, maximize, close. Thank you for watching.